is the guts. It's the bomb. Starting off with the M5 stack.
What is that? It's the M5 stack what? Here, I got
M5
some, I got some fingernails, right?
Cord, whatever, I don't care.
You got a cord right there?
It's a cord right here.
USB-C.
There we go.
While you get that, this is something that I bought from peer pressure on Discord of all places. Again, of mine, and it's a ESP32. I think it's a S3. OG will show in the back.
What's this?
So it's got does it have a speaker on it or something?
It does.
That's pretty cool. Actually, the screen looks pretty nice.
It's all clean.
So you can put your own like custom firmware on it and stuff like that. Rotate to change color. Is it touch? It's touch screen, huh? I think at the bottom.
Oh, you can draw.
What? That's pretty awesome, dude.
I got white paper. I'm gonna draw something cool.
Huh? The play button. It's actually not bad for a little bitty screen being able to draw on it. So turn it over so they can show them the back. And let it focus.
A lot of numbers. We just figured that out.
Yeah. So it has a ESP32 S3 stamp on the back. Looks like some ports for voltage and GPIO. That'd be pretty neat to be able.
I'm drawing on my picture.
Pretty neat to be able to put it in the wall for a project.
Ooh, black.
You do your own custom little firmware.
Ooh,
that's pretty awesome.
There's different colors for the different colors.
Yeah. So we go to the next one.
Okay.
So of course you'll find all the links down below. You can see all the chapters and just jump ahead if you get bored with one subject. You go to the next one. But we never get bored with him, right?
Next up, S-Speed. Ooh, it's these kind of boxes.
So I think this is a...
No, that's not, I think.
Let me get this out the way so you don't bump it. A white box. So here's the specs. Show them the specs first. The specs, right? Not the QR codes. AMD Ryzen 7 5700U, 16 gig memory, 500 gig of storage.
Get the wires out.
No, we don't need to take the power supply. We'll hook it up later, another video maybe. We need this.
We're pros.
Who needs a manual anyway, right? This is like a little NUC style computer.
A vent.
That's for the vent on the side.
Crazy things I don't know about.
You know about some of these. That's like HDMI. You know what HDMI is?
Yeah, but
what's HDMI?
And it hooks up like the PS5, the Switch,
like the TV,
Xbox.
Yeah. You know what those are. You know what these...
Turkey!
That's Trigkey.
Oh, dang it.
That didn't look like turkey. You know what these are on the front?
Yeah, USB.
The USB. Want to put the desk down for you, bro, a little bit?
Is this USB or no?
Yeah, that's the USB-C.
Oh. And this is the headphones.
Yep, sure is.
And this is the power.
So yeah, we're going to try to put this... We're going to show some stuff probably later, and some of the stuff OG has on his little desk and his special little surprise there. And yeah, he needs a new computer. His old one was getting kind of funky and slow. Maybe all the junk you've been installing on it, maybe. Don't look at me stupid, bro.
I don't look at you stupid.
Uh-huh.
I don't look at you stupid.
What are them crazy websites you go to?
Roblox, Among Us.
Among Us? So what we got here?
Okay. Next up.
Another.
Mini PC.
Who makes it?
Don't know.
Man, that's like a scratching record. You gotta say their name.
I don't know.
You called the other one.
Acemagic.
It has weird font. Acemagic.
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 Oh, I thought it was AC Magic.
Acemagic. It's got the little record scratch thing to it. So it's got a cool little box. You like the sounds, huh? So this one, the specs on this one, I think it's an N95 Intel, so a little bit slower than the other one. Same thing, 16 gig of RAM, 512 gig storage.
Let's open this baby up.
And you're knocking my old man glasses off, bro.
Let's zoom in.
Okay, come on.
Let's zoom out.
Oh, it is zoomed all the way out.
There. Now it's better. Now it's better.
Tell me what to do.
I'm not telling you what to do. This is light.
So tell them what we got here.
We got a computer.
You got all this. Look, this one's got 2 Ethernet ports on the back. The other one only had 1. 2 HDMI. Headphones.
Whatever.
All the USBs, right? You want to power it up right quick?
Okay. Power it up. Oh, there's a screen.
Yep. Look, show them the front so they can see. So it has this little LED bar looking thing. Better than showing you a picture on the little box. And then it has this screen. I don't think you can do a whole lot with it. It just has like a program that does like the CPU percentage and the time.
What if it has like the whole computer and you can see the screen?
Yeah, it does.
Not sideways though, just like this.
Yeah. So I'm guessing there's probably no key. It's freaking out. It's maybe stuck in BIOS. There's no keyboard. There, look. It just pops. I think it's magnets or something, or little clips. Yeah, it's just little clips.
This is the guts.
So it looks like it's got a spot for another NVMe drive inside. Only 1 memory slot. So if you upgrade it to 32, you'll have to change. But I don't know if the N1, this is an N95. I don't know if the N95 supports 32. So enough about that one. We'll do some things and see. I don't think the screen works in Linux from what I saw. So once you go to Linux thing, then I'm sure there's no drivers for that as of yet. Only a Windows thing, unfortunately. So Eufy sent this permanent outdoor lights. I did pair it, so you don't have to wait. OG didn't have to wait for me to pair and install the little Eufy app, and you go through all the junk. But so it has little waterproof plugs, but then the controller is not waterproof. Yeah, because it's just a little board inside. There's not any flashable stuff you can do. OG's plugging this in. It goes one way. Did you get it done? Okay, let's see if we can turn it on. You can see they have the little light patterns. The LEDs are rather large. It's
16 or 17 inches long.
the spacing. Let me just show you the spacing. You already know.
Yeah.
We measured it at 16 inches for the density. Look at the distance for the LEDs. That's supposed to be on your house permanently. It seems like you'd want something at least like maybe 6 to 12 inches, or I don't know, to be decent looking. It has this AI thing or whatever, but then they have all these stickers that you're supposed to stick them to your house.
I just want to play with the Velcro.
I'm not too enthralled with this, and it doesn't blink very fast. Let's open the app. Now it's trying to do it. The app is stuck. They need to work on some of the light patterns. It has a bunch of different strands to it. OG's not even that excited about it, and he loves lights and LEDs. We'll try to do a clip. Maybe we'll show it while I'm talking here. We'll drag this out in the yard just to see what they look like, and if the spacing is, I don't know.
Grand finale.
The best part.
Grand finale.
What is that?
It's a best thing in the world. Right here.
You love this thing?
It's the best thing in the world. But not too much better than a Switch.
Oh.
Like behind it.
Okay. So what does it do exactly?
It plays games from the old times.
Oh, the retro games?
The Nintendo, the Mega Drive.
Fire it up, bro.
bet. And the light is green. The light is green.
So tell them about the case and stuff. Is it plastic, metal? How's it the build quality? It's a metal case.
Yeah, it's metal.
So what's on it? What we got over here?
Blue metal, actually.
Blue metal. We're showing the ports. It's upside down. So it's got 2 USB-Cs, HDMI, and even a headphone. And it's got shoulder buttons, top buttons, joypad on the front. So let's show them the screen. Make sure and turn the volume down so we don't get a copyright. It does come with a lot of different loaded games. This comes from Temu or Amazon. I think they even sell them on AliExpress. We'll leave all the links down below, of course. Temu sent us this one, so we'll give them props there. I thought it was going to be kind of junk, but it's actually pretty decent.
Rayman 2? The Great Escape?
So a lot of the different games, I guess that's a gray area of like where they got these games and how they license them or whatever. I'm not going to get into all that. You can do your own research on that if you buy one. Go show them the systems.
There's Game Boy Color.
Go through them fast.
Game Boy Adventure DS. Open bore ports. Is that ports?
Yep, ports.
Settings. Mega Drive. Game Gainer.
Game Gear.
Yeah. Dreamcast.
Neo Geo. Geo Pocket. PlayStation. And many other more. So show them like that Mega Drive. You were doing Sonic. I saw the other day. That plays pretty cool.
Oh, whoopsie.
So we got the audio turned down, hopefully, so we don't get a copyright junk.
It is. Sonic 3D Blast. Start. Ooh. Flappy
Why did you
Birdies.
pick the one with the damn cutscene? So you can see it plays pretty smooth.
And you can use the joystick. It's better.
You got the Joy-Cons. You got the
There's
pad.
no Joy-Cons.
Well, whatever they're called. The little joysticks. They look pretty responsive. So no issues playing any of the games and stuff. You can do they have the SD cards at the bottom for like the storage and the operating system, so you can load whatever games and the operating system. I know they got some aftermarket mods to make things better, but we've just kind of taken it out the box and used it as is. Pretty cool little system. So what you think of this?
It's the bomb. Super bomb.
Pretty cool little game system, and I know he plays a Switch and stuff, but it likes to play the little
Super
retro
Mario
games.
Wonder.
And everything on here. I like the retro games because it's just easy and you can just start up the games without all kind of crazy stuff. I really like playing the older games.
Sonic and Knuckles. You definitely don't need a manual for this thing.
Anything else to say, OG?
This is a really good system. You can go on the road, play it, but only if you're a passenger.
Not the driver, huh?
Yeah, not the driver. Don't play games while you're driving.
It's not good at all.
That's dangerous.
People do a bunch of stuff that when they do driving, then they shouldn't. So you'll find all the links down below for this stuff, and if you want to check some of it out, I'm sure you'll see some of it in some future videos and projects. And that's going to do it for this one. And y'all know the drill. Press all them buttons.
And y'all take care.
Let me hanging, bro.